What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more case reviews. This time, we're looking at some cases that I just got in from Vinierro. Charming simplicity. Let's check them out. As I mentioned, the company Vinierro, they were kind enough to send me over some of their cases for the Note 10 Plus. Now, these case models also come for the Note 10. I'm going to open this up and show you what they have. So the first two cases are like a rubberized TPU. I'm going to get both of these open. Now, they come with nice packaging. I want you to know it's very simplistic, as they say, charming simplicity, but the packaging is always good when you can actually go ahead and get straight to your device. So I like that packaging. Very nice, very simple. Set that to the side. These two cases are the ones that I just took out. Now, if you notice, you get that diamond in here and you get these nice grooves. Now, a lot of people don't know these grooves actually serve a purpose. When you put your phone in here, air gets trapped in here so that if you do drop it, it's got cushioning. The air cushions your phone in this case. Put this on and let's see what we're rocking. So right away, it fits extremely snug. It's just like a glove around that phone. Now, its edges are not that hard, but they will offer you a measure of protection. Getting to our S Pen is a breeze, pulls out, no problems. All our ports on the bottom, they line up really well. Everything at the top, precise, and on the sides, everything is nice and tactile. We're good to go. Volume up and down, everything feels good. It actually feels really good in the hand, guys. I want you guys to see that case. Looks nice, feels good, fits good. Comes in black and blue. And like I said, this is more of a silicone rubberized material, but you do have that pattern in here that's going to protect you if you drop it. Let's look at there we go. We got edges right here. So if you lay your phone down, you're not going to have any scratches on that brand new screen of yours. Let's move on to that next case over there, because we got three of those to talk about. So charming simplicity is the motto, and let's check out this next set of cases. Now, these just come in a basic box. Let's see the box. Now, these boxes, you just hold them up and let that bottom slide out. Let's see how we get into this one. There we go. We got one. Once again, nice premium packaging. The boxes are really nice. Two. And three. All right, so all of these are a rubberized silicone type TPU. Once again, you get a smoky color, you get a golden color, and you get a straight up clear color. So no matter what you like, you can put your phone here. Boom. There we go. What I like about this is you still get to see the color of your phone. So the color that you bought, especially if you got the Aura, which a lot of people went with that version, you can still get to see that shininess, that shimmeriness back behind there. I'm going to drop that, put the gold on, and it's just going to basically tint whatever color you have. So far I'm liking the smoke better than the gold. I'm going to drop this one. And then when we put this last one on, we're going to actually talk about some of the features on this case. So straight up clear. I get to see my blue, no issues. Now, you will get fingerprints on there. This clear is always going to be a fingerprint magnet. I want to make sure that my camera is protected, something I did not do with that last case, so I'm going to have to go back. But we got tougher edges here. You notice how the edge is thicker than the rest of the case. So you got nice protection right here. Everything is going to line up down here. We want to make sure that we can actually get to our S Pen with ease, no problems. And we want to make sure that everything lines up. All our buttons nice and tactile, no issues whatsoever. Put this one back on, and we got to check that camera just to make sure there are no issues right there. Camera is nice and protected, sits down in that nice groove. So there's nothing to worry about with that camera in either type of case. So guys, there we go. You got two different styles of case. One is a more plasticky, silicone-y, and the other one is more silicone-y, rubbery. You still have edges that are nice and tough on both of these, so if you drop those corners, you're not going to have any issues. The raised edge was pronounced on the first one, and the second one, you do get a raised edge. You get that nice lip on those bumpers, so you don't have to worry about this phone getting scratched up, banged up, or busted if you set it down on its face. I'm also going to leave a discount code below. It's going to be good up until September 10th, so hurry up and grab your cases while you can at a special rate. Hope this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.